Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. This past week, the Saudi Arabian medical device market saw a pivotal shift. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, quietly released a new accelerated approval pathway for medical devices that incorporate artificial intelligence. This move is a direct reflection of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, aiming to become a regional hub for technology and healthcare innovation. On the surface, this is fantastic news for global medtech companies. The new guideline promises to slash approval timelines by up to 50% for certain AI-powered diagnostic software, particularly in fields like radiology and digital pathology. This opens the door for faster market entry and a quicker return on investment in one of the largest and most lucrative markets in the Middle East. However, the real story lies in the details. While the pathway is faster, it is also narrower and more complex. The SFDA has introduced stringent new requirements that many companies may not be prepared for. The most significant hurdle is data localization. To gain approval, the clinical validation for your AI algorithm must now include a substantial percentage of data from the local Saudi population. This means your existing global datasets, even if extensive, might not be enough. Companies will need to partner with local hospitals and research centers to collect and validate their algorithms on local patient demographics, which introduces new costs and logistical challenges. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine a German scale-up with a breakthrough AI tool for detecting diabetic retinopathy. Under the old system, they faced a lengthy but straightforward documentation review. With the new fast track, their timeline is theoretically cut in half. But now, they are told their validation, based on 10,000 European patient scans, is insufficient. They must now initiate a local study in Riyadh or Jeddah to gather data from at least 2,000 Saudi patients. This involves new clinical protocols, ethics approvals, and finding local partners, potentially delaying their launch by a year and adding significant unforeseen expenses. It is a classic case of one step forward, two steps sideways. Furthermore, the new guidelines introduce ambiguous language around post-market surveillance for adaptive or self-learning algorithms. How does the SFDA expect manufacturers to monitor and report on an algorithm that continuously changes its own parameters? The requirements for ongoing validation and reporting are not yet clearly defined, creating a significant compliance risk for companies entering the market. This is not just a simple registration process. It is a strategic challenge that requires deep, on-the-ground regulatory intelligence. Navigating this new landscape requires more than just a checklist. It demands a proactive strategy built on local expertise. For companies looking to understand these nuanced changes and successfully launch in Saudi Arabia, our team at Pure Global is ready to assist. You can reach out to us by email or visit our website for more information.